Finally got an exhaust. And it sounds beautiful. This is a slip-on titanium Vandemon exhaust. Like retails like $2,000. I got a pretty good deal on it. I only got it for $1,000. Luckily, it's a little obnoxious, but that is okay because it's a V4. You know, I got an exhaust, I got a tune, I got a new chain and sprockets, and then I put a radiator guard on at the exact same time. And the tune's by Two Wheel Dyno Works here in America. They're in Washington State. You rarely ever see anyone go with them, but it's probably the cheapest option. I think I'm gonna make a separate video on that. It's like $450. The exhaust is loud, but it's not like a drone kind of loud. You know what I mean? Like you're not on the highway cruising and it's just obnoxiously loud through your helmet. It's really manageable. Installation was really easy. I put it on myself. Getting the stock exhaust off of this damn bike is not for the weak. Again, I'm going to make a separate video about this, but the tune that I got makes street mode actually useful. I've been riding out in street mode like all day, and it's like, it's not slow. It's good enough for the street, and it makes the bike actually somewhat enjoyable. Before street mode, if you have a Ducati V4, street mode feels like it has 70 horsepower. It's really just dead. It doesn't feel like it has any power at all. But now, it's usable. It's really, really usable. Sport mode is what I ride in when I'm doing like some spirited riding, but race mode is like a different, it feels like it added 2 cylinders to the bike. Like it's obnoxiously fast. Again, I'm going to make a separate video on the tune, but I just wanted to make a video on the exhaust. It's loud, man. Anyway, that is probably the end of the video. I don't know. This is a really short video. I just wanted to say that I have an exhaust. And yeah, it's loud. Very loud.